Sugar in the morning, sugar at lunchtime, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Yes, sugar is the food that loves you back. It loves you back because it gives you so many benefits. Now, let me clarify what I'm talking about when I say sugar. I'm not talking about white processed sugar found in all kinds of processed foods, cakes, cookies, pastries. It's loaded. Almost any kind of processed food that you buy has added sugar. Empty calories, and processed foods just take way too much of your energy for digestion. It takes time and energy to digest it, sapping your energy, okay? Because digestion takes a lot of your energy, okay? It's burning calories just to digest, okay? So the calories you're eating are basically useless because your body is expending so much energy just to digest it. So what I'm talking about are the sugars found in simple carbohydrates. Now I say simple carbohydrates because there's two types of carbohydrates, simple and complex. Now complex carbs like potatoes, rice, beans, things like that, your starches, your grains, okay, they're complex carbs. They do not come as a simple sugar like glucose. Okay, they have to be broken down into glucose before your body can use it. And remember, every cell in your brain, every cell in your big toe has to be fueled by simple sugars. So your body's expending all this energy and time, breaking it down into simple glucose. That goes for anything you eat, whether it's fats or proteins, whether you eat a steak, a hamburger, a pizza, it has to be broken down to simple glucose. And if you're eating, the animal-based foods, it's sapping even more, much more of your energy. That's why you're tired. Your cells need sugar, but breaking down that junk takes too long and it saps your energy. So that's why I say sugar loves you back. The simple sugars found in fruits. Fruits are without a doubt the best food on the planet. They are the richest source of vitamins and water. And they're the second richest source of minerals and fiber. You can't go wrong with fruits. I mean, the fiber helps. It acts like a magnet. It's cleansing you all the time, pulling waste matter and toxins out of you. It acts like an intestinal broom. Water. It's the purest water on the planet. It's been filtered by nature. As it comes into that fruit, you've got pure water that's so easily assimilated by the body, much more so than bottled water or tap water. The water in fruit hydrates, and that's one of our greatest needs, hydration, water. We need that for all of our bodily functions. So the benefits are off the charts. Don't be afraid of sugar. And fruit sugar has it's a less dense sugar than in your processed sweets, okay? In your processed foods that add sugar, that's concentrated, okay? So you can eat more fruit and it allows you to get full, feel full from the fiber, but it's a slow burning sugar. It's a slow burning sugar. It doesn't give you that spike like a piece of chocolate mousse would give you, you know, and then you crash after you had the chocolate mousse an hour or two later. Whereas you have a banana smoothie or a fruit bowl, it lasts for hours because it sustains you. It's slow absorption. You've got fiber, water, vitamins, minerals. You're getting nourished. You're getting so many more nutrients. So don't forget, sugar is good for you. So, but remember, you always want the right sugar, simple glucose and fructose found in fruits. All the best, guys. Any questions or comments, please post those below. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. All the best, and as always, to your health success. Take care.